और इसमें भी कोशिश करना पहले वर्कर नोड को ऑफ करना, ठीक है। Okay, so now we will come to the and the starting time you have to start first the master node, then after worker node. And once your worker means master node is ready, then after try to start your worker node. Okay. If you will follow this process, na your क्या हुआ? Okay, so now our master node is ready, so we can start now our worker node. See why I tell you like start one by one, because this will take some CPU utilization. Okay. Okay, master node is ready and this one is ready. Okay. Okay, master is 701. See, services, Kubernetes services means you should know means very deeply, okay, and means service is the base of Kubernetes. Means whatever you are going to deploy the applications. So if you have knowledge of service, because service is the base of our application, whatever we deploy the application in Kubernetes, so service is the base only. Okay, with the help of service only, we will be able to access our application. Okay, so in Docker, I already explained about the this one, how to export our application from Kubernetes cluster to the outside world. Outside world in the sense, browser means how the users can access the application. See, whatever the application is deployed, like there is like DNS name is there. Means each applications whatever you are going to deploy that have a particular domain, right? From the domain name only you are able to access the applications. So how you are doing these things, these all comes under the service concept. Okay, so basically you guys should know uh, about the Okay, so first we will check any pod we have created here or not. Any application is 1 minute. So I will check first. Should, so okay, one more duplicate I will open. Okay, okay. So what are the namespace available here? First we will check. Okay, log prod and log stage. We will check any pod is available. Cubecity like name. Then after namespace, then after get ports, then I can wait. Okay, already. Okay, already two ports are available. Okay, okay. Okay, in last classes, I think this one we have created. Okay, and inside this one, log stage. Okay, log stage there is no. Okay, no problem. Now, okay, yeah. See, get ports hyphen o wide. Okay, this command I think I already explained, right? So what this command will give? What will be the result of this command? Anyone? Guys,
Provide the complete details with IP address.
your voice is little bit less.
Provide the
Sandeep?
complete details IP address for the
Yeah,
pods.
correct. This will give the details with ports. Okay, port IP address. What happened? Okay, log stage I have given. Hyphen no wide. Yeah, see, this is your pod name and this is the IP. Now, anyone tell me why this IP range came 1010? Why 1010?
Because while creating the network, we have mentioned the subnet range. We have provided the subnet range.
Subnet range we have given, right? While creating our cluster network, right?
Yeah,
That time,
CIDR.
Yes.
yeah,
CIDR.
CIDR. Okay, good, good. Okay, and here, okay, both are on worker node 1. Okay, so can we scale, guys? First, we will see our worker node 2 is ready or not. Okay, it's ready. So, can anyone tell me the command to scale this one?
Yes.
Yes, kubectl.
Uh, hyphen n.
Hyphen n
Log
log prod
scale.
log prod then
Scale.
scale then
Hyphen replica. No, replica is there.
replicas
Yeah.
because 2 is there, na, we will give 7. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then deployment file name.
Deployment name, right?
Yes.
What is the deployment name? ATL get deploy, right?
Deployment.
Replica set is there. Okay, this is the with the help of replica set we will do. Okay, so okay.
Here you will mention replica hyphen set, right?
Replica set I have to mention, right?
Yes.
Then after this name, na, okay, kubectl ports. Okay, will take sometimes. Okay, almost created. So okay, created, right? Okay, now we will check again. Kubectl get ports hyphen o wide. Okay, any worker node to yes game. See worker node. If you will see, there is range for worker node 1. If you will see here, you will able to see 212, then after 25, 212, then after 23, 212, then after 21, 212, 70, right? And if you will see worker node 2, okay, so this one having also a different IP, right? This one also having different range. Okay. Okay, now node IP I want to see. What should I write? Node IP I want to see. kubectl get nodes hyphen o wide. Okay, yes. See, this is the master node, right? If you will little bit. See, this is the master node having different IP and worker node having different ID, right? Now tell me guys, one question now I have. These all ports having different IP, right? Different IP. So tell me, do all ports have the same network? Do all the ports have same network or different network? I'm asking about the port network. Port network is same or different? See, some ports are created on worker node 1. Some ports are created on worker node 2. Will be same or different?
I think it should be the same because we are as we mentioned the CIDR based on 10.10 it is same, but the last two octet it is changed only.
Other guys? Nandita, Hula, Smith.
जो भी CIDR रेंज दिए हैं होगा तो उसके अंदर ही यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफ्रेंशिएट हो रहा है। जैसे 10.10 है, उसके बाद 19 भी है और 212 भी है, तो वहाँ थर्ड ऑक्टेट।
तो port जो whatever the port created on the worker node. Okay, so I'm asking about the inside the worker node. Okay, inside worker node 1 and inside worker node 2 will be same or different?
डिफरेंट होगा।
Different, right?
Yes.
Different.
Different होगा, correct?
Yes. Because inside the worker node we haven't mentioned the CIDR range.
Yes, see, in a starting, I think, where is document? CIDR. See, this range we have given, right? And within this range, whatever you are going to create your worker node, within this range will come. So whatever IP will index, that will be different. Okay. Now I will show you one architecture. Okay. I will.
हमने 2 ऑक्टेट को फिक्स किया, उसके बाद का कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो अलग अलग पोर्ट के लिए अलग अलग ही रेंज होगा।
Correct. Okay. So I'm trying to draw one picture. Okay. So you have to concentrate. Okay. Okay. So first I will take one worker node. Okay. One worker node and copy of second worker node. Okay. This one is worker node 1. Okay. This one is your worker node. Node 1. And this is your worker node. Worker node 2. Okay. So now here on worker node 1 there is a sorry. Okay. Okay. So now in a starting we have given one this IP CIDR, this one. Okay. This one. According to that, what happened? This worker node. Okay. This worker node. Okay, 1 minute. Here we will see. Node na. Okay. kubectl gate nodes. Okay. if I will describe kubectl describe node worker node 1. Yeah, see, if you will see here, port CIDR. Okay, so this range we have assigned, right? So if you will say worker node 1 having range of 10, 10, 1.0, right? Similarly, if you will check for worker node 2, see 10, 10, 20. This is the gateway. Okay, this is the gateway. Okay, so where are it? So what is the IP of this one, guys? 10, 10, 1.10, 10, right? This is 10, 10, 20, correct? Okay. Okay. So this is the range of our worker node 1 and worker node 2. Okay. So where generally we are means whenever we are creating the whenever means we are deploying any applications, code are creating, right? So now some ports are created on this worker node, some ports will create on this port. Okay. So now we will okay, what are the ports? Okay, here we created only, right? Okay. So now what are the ports created on worker node? One, 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 4 port, right? Okay, I will copy these all 4. 4 port, right? Okay, little bit I think I need to increase this size. Okay, no condition is repeated. Okay, okay. So now, how many ports? 4 port, right? Okay, 4 port. 4 port, right? 1 port. 2 port. 3 port and 4 port. And on worker node 2, how many port? 3 port, no? Guys, tell me. 3 port. Okay, 3 port. Okay. So now, tell me the IP, guys. Worker node 1, this is the IP. Okay. Mm, 1 minute. It is not copied. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, 2. Oh, this one is up 2. Okay. This one worker node 1. Worker node 1, right? And this one worker node 2. Okay. Worker node 1. One. Two. Okay. So these all are pod. So you can see like pod 1, pod 2, pod 2. Okay. Here also. Suppose pod 3 is here. Pod 6 is here. Okay. Now this one is suppose pod 6. Similarly, these all pod, okay, pod 1, pod 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. 7 pod we have. Okay. So now tell me guys how this pod will communicate. Who will tell? Who are available here? Okay, Sandeep. Where is figure? Sandeep, tell me now how this pod will communicate.
The sport will communicate to each other, right? Talking about.
Yeah. Talk with each other, but whatever the worker node 1 is here and worker node 2 is here. Okay, 1 minute. I will write the IP also, right? 1 minute. Get nodes hyphen wide. This is master. I need worker node 1. This is worker node 1, right? Okay. Worker node 1. Worker node 2. Yes, and this is worker node 1 and this is worker node 2.
Two worker nodes can communicate to each other with
How How
with
this port will communicate? Tell me.
with the help of, I think, private network, they can communicate to each other.
Private network.
Hmm. I think so. Yeah.
No, no. Show me how I should connect. Means this one will connect or what will happen? Connectivity. Show me like if I will say you like suppose suppose these both will contact.
With the help of architecture, talking about, right?
With the help of architecture, I'm asking only.
Okay.
So
So
how this will where I should
based on kubectl command, we'll just try to communicate to each other, and first
mhm,
it will go the, to the API server.
API server? Yes.
Hmm. API server, and it will check. Uh, yeah, first it will connect to the API server, and API server will just check in the database, like
Correct.
database, the particular port is available or not. Because
Mhm,
if we are just trying to communicate with any port, it should be already available or not.
mhm,
Correct. And if
mhm,
it will be available, then it will just connect with the scheduler, and scheduler will just try to communicate. They'll make a connection between the two port with the help of private link, because these communication happens in private link only.
Okay. So now this is the gateway. While when this created in CIDR, we mentioned the IP address this sub range, right? So this is the gateway IP. These both are gateway IP. So this will communicate with each other or not? These both gateways
Hmm.
will communicate to each other or not?
They both cannot be connected to each other.
Hmm?
We need to be make a service within that to be connect to each other.
Okay, Nandita, these two are gateways. So this will connect to each other or not?
Yes, they can connect because
This
of
will
the
connect.
gateway.
This both gateway will connect to each other.
Yes,
Will means will communicate or will be connected, right?
yes.
Okay. How? Why this will connect?
Because of router model and then it's a NAT gateway, so it will connect.
Mm, Hulas?
Hmm. Directly, both are not connected, but it can connect through the node IP address. The connection pass through node IP address.
Means this one you are telling, right?
Yes.
See, guys, when we created the CIDR, okay, in CIDR there is a one control plane, right? If you will see, I think,
Master node,
uh,
talking about.
see, initialize Kubernetes control plane. Okay, so so this is created where inside the control plane. Control plane. Whom? Uh, what is control plane? Anyone?
Master node is a control.
Master node or complete architecture is a control plane.
Mm, complete architecture as of
Means see see this will initialize only on the master node or on worker node.
this
Only
is lies in
master.
the master node. Or any worker node will be create, not worker node. Any port will be create whose
See
IP address should be in this range.
see means what is the means why we created here CIDR?
CIDR basically it means classless inter-domain routing.
Hmm.
The main
Mhm.
thing is here, and it is used for the subnet masking.
Okay.
The condition is here, and based on that, we will create a private network.
Hmm.
Because of
Correct.
that, we are created the CIDR range for this
So, so
range.
that so that private IP where will create on the worker node or only on master node, where this will initialize.
It is initial. We mention it in a worker node. When we create any port, that should be
Hmm.
in this range.
Yeah, so means whenever we will create CIDR network,
Ah,
it means whatever the worker node is available. Okay,
hmm.
so this range will assign. Okay, so
Yes.
that's why if you will see here, I already described about the worker node, right? I already here I shown you where this one port CIDR, right? How this came? Because in CIDR, in control plane only, control means plane means full cluster, whatever master node, worker node, all are there, okay? So that port CIDR is assigned, okay? So how this came? So see, if you will see one more here, suppose here is your master node, right? So with the on the master node you have given this range, you have created this range, okay? So whenever you will join one more suppose you created one more worker node, okay? So this will master node will check which IP is assigned to the worker node, okay? Means which gateway is assigned to a worker node, okay? So suppose this one is assigned and this one is assigned. So from where it came? From the master node. And already you know guys, the master node having connectivity with the worker node 1 and worker node 2, right? So CIDR we have created over the cluster only. So this both will, okay, this both will, both will be connected to each other, okay? Okay, so this both will be connected to each other, okay? And whatever you are creating the port over the worker node, okay, this one having connectivity with these all port. 1 minute. Likewise, uh, 1 minute. This one have connectivity with this one. Again, if you will draw this one having directly connectivity with this one, okay. If you will see this one is direct communicating with this one, okay. And if, similarly for these all, okay. This one, this one, okay. You got it, guys?
10.10.1.0 is a port CIDR, right?
This one is a port CIDR.
It
Means
means
this one is
mhm.
whatever the range will come, okay. That range will be this one only after 1010. See whatever the port range will come after 1010, this why this one is port gateway, okay. If you will see in a starting here 10 10 0 0. This is the gateway. Okay, 0 0 is the gateway. Okay, after 10 10 whatever will be assigned here. But same time, if you will see here, see if you will see here, after 10 10 here, 2 1 2 is assigned. Okay, 2 1 2 is assigned, and here is 19. Okay, those all are range between 1 to 0 only, right? So see, suppose this worker node having so many suppose pod is available. Okay, so this again will change like 2 1 3, then after 75 likewise. Okay,
So 10.10.1.0 is a port gateway, and below all are the
this
port
one is not pod gateway, this one is worker node gateway.
worker node
And with the
gateway.
worker node gateway, and with the help of worker node gateway, your pod IP will assign. Okay.
Okay.
So inside a worker node, whenever the new pod will create, it's
Hmm.
between the same range, like 10.10.00. In between that.
Yes, yes. Between that only will create.
Okay.
See, CIDR is very very important concept. Okay, whenever you will face any interview, interviewer will ask you what is CIDR. How? See, suppose you are not. Suppose here I have created the CIDR. Okay, but if you will see many videos, okay, in whenever I think you guys may be watching on YouTube, this no means so many YouTubers are not telling about the CIDR, how we are creating the CIDR and why this is required. Okay, whenever production cluster is available, that time CIDR is required. If you will not create the CIDR, then whatever the IP will assign, that will not means uh, by default that will create. Okay, by default IP will assign. Okay, but that is very difficult in production. Okay, see, in production, suppose you have multiple ports. Okay, so how you will come to know this range is coming between this port, means this cluster node port. Suppose
Yeah,
suppose
got
you have 6 7 cluster. Okay, in 6 7 cluster, if port IP will assign, it's very difficult to detect it. Okay, right? And this one is assigned for the means you can say like, see, whatever the gateway is assigned here, within this range will assign whatever the port will create on the worker node. Okay, so this is really very helpful. Okay, but if you are not going to create any CIDR,
But
okay.
in this case, we
Hmm.
have two gateways, right? One for 1.0, one for 2.0, correct?
Yes, correct.
But whatever the port range in either in one or either in two, both are between that, correct?
Between that, yes,
Ah,
correct.
so either if we will select 1.0, then the port 19.414 is also in that range. If we will select 2.0 gateway, then the 212.75 port will also within that range,
Correct.
correct? So
Mhm.
so it is clearly defined that two gateways, if tomorrow we'll create one more cluster, one
Mhm.
more worker node, then might
Mhm.
be their range is
10
something
10 30 will create.
10.10.30, 10.10.40, whatever it is, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
when we create a pod, that should be
Mhm.
also in the same range,
Same range only.
correct? Because we
Mhm.
already defined as a 10.10.0.4
Because of
CID.
that only we have defined the gateway here. Okay, if you will not define the gateway, okay, if you are not going to assign the gateway, like see, CIDR we have created. In CIDR this is defined, right? This is defined, so whatever the worker node will come in same range, whatever the pod will create in same range will create, right?
Yes, but how the two pods can communicate to each other?
See this pod. Now see this one
Hmm.
is
Means you are telling both gateways are connected, correct?
hmm,
Without any outer service or any other service, right?
correct, correct. Right now there is no requirement of till now there is no requirement of service. We will
But
see
both are
how
the private gateway, right?
these both are the
Private gateway.
private gateway only.
But it will connect to each other without any outer or other services, right?
Ha, without any outer means a network.
Okay.
Okay. Now I think this is clear to all. And now if you will see whatever the pod is available, suppose inside the pod what is available? The applications jar is available only, right?
Correct.
Means container inside the pod container.
Content.
Inside the container what is available? Jar is available. Suppose app one here app
Application is available there.
application is available. So on each see these all pod having these app will be available, right?
Hmm.
Inside all the ports, these app will be available or not? Same app will be available or different app will be available?
Other pod you're talking about.
No, I'm talking about the see. This is our see. This is application we deployed. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so all pod, if you will see all pod having different IP assigned. Okay, so
Hmm.
and one more thing, if I will delete this pod,
Hmm.
okay, it is not sure that this IP will assign.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's why there is no any record whatever the pod is available or not. Like see, suppose right now you have 7 pod requirement.
Hmm.
Later on, like increase with 6 7 more pod. Okay, okay, that is okay. Suppose you deleted now 2 pods. Okay, so if you will search this pod record, that you will not get it.
Hmm. Correct. Yeah.
Got it, guys?
Hmm. The condition is mine here how the private gateway is connected to each other with because network is a private, then how
See,
they will connect?
private we have created with the master node only, right? And master node already having the connectivity with these all worker, whatever the worker node will come,
Hmm.
right?
There's a communication between master and worker,
Master
not
and worker
worker,
node.
not worker to worker. Correct?
Not see worker. See if master have connectivity, then obviously worker to worker node have connectivity.
If it is in a hierarchy way, I don't think so.
See this one ingress or this one overlay network,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Overlay network I shown you guys I think,
Hmm.
and overlay network is the ingress only. Okay, that we will uh,
Overlay network is there is a common network for all the nodes in
all the
overlay
nodes.
network. Yes.
Correct. So see how this worker node are communicating to each other,
Hmm.
that is different things.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
but worker node is if worker node is communicating with each other means whatever inside the worker node. Okay, whatever inside the worker node.
Hmm.
Now for for uh, for communications of pod, we have created the CIDR, right? Where we created the CIDR on here only, right?
Must
Here
only. Must
or
only.
here only we have given, right?
Master. Yes.
Okay, so CIDR only. Okay, whenever new cluster will means new worker will node will come. Okay, this will give you the range, right?
Okay, it means so one worker node to connect with the other worker node via the master node, right?
Yes, yes, via the
Okay,
master node only.
okay, then it will be, it is
See,
okay
that's
for that. Yeah.
that's why only master. Whenever you are executing any command, you are
Ah,
executing only on the master node, not on worker node.
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. So if it is possible, because if we are going via the master node, definitely it will be no problem.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Why the master node only?
Because I thought directly it is not possible because both are in the
No,
private and both worker node how they can communicate to each other.
no,
But
no,
it
no.
is
It like.
possible via the master node. It is possible for that in that scenario.
Mm. Now, okay, okay. If I will ask, like, this is the pod IP, right? This is the pod IP. These all are the pod IP, right? Now, okay, this is the pod IP. Now, suppose you are the okay, I will delete first this one. Okay, for right now, I am deleting this one. Okay, okay. Now, now suppose here, suppose this is Sandeep, this is Hulas, Nandita, Sumit, okay, and Ravi. Okay, all are available here. Okay, all are available here. Now, this application we deployed on the cluster. Okay, so now how this will access? Now, how this application is accessed through the pod IP, through the node IP, through the master IP. How this Sandeep and Ulas, Nandita, Ravi and Sumit will access this application? How you will access this application? Through the pod IP, through the node IP, through the master IP, or other. Okay, I will write four options for you guys. Uh, or you can say like how you can expose your application outside the world. How you will expose this application? Question is, what is my question? Question is, my question is how customers, how customer will access our, how our how customer will access our application, or you can say same question, uh, how we can expose, this is technical question, like how we can expose our application outside outside the world. Option I should give. Okay. Through the pod IP, here you
Right.
have to give yes or no. Okay.
Hmm.
Node IP,
Node IP.
third master IP,
Master IP.
or or uh, other
Others.
means other things. Tell me guys now. First,
Master.
huh,
Yes, please go ahead.
yeah. First, Ravi will reply. Pod IP, Ravi. Can we access through the pod IP outside the world? Okay, from Ravi, yes. Sandeep,
For any of the applications, we can use outside based on their master IP with their port number.
so through the pod IP we can access the application outside the world or not?
No, master IP.
Means you know, right?
Yeah.
Means pod IP no. Okay. Nandita,
No.
Hulas, Hulas, you are there? Hulas is available. Sumit,
No, it will. We can access through master IP, but master IP will send us to pod IP.
okay, okay, means no. Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay, now come to the this is Ravi, Sandeep, Nandita, Hulas, and Sumit. Okay, tell me for node IP.
No.
Ravi, first Ravi.
You already told yes in a pod.
Ravi, through the node IP outside the world, users can access or not. Hmm? Ravi, no, sure. Sandeep,
Node IP, we cannot be access that. Yeah.
Nandita,
Mm, I'm not sure. I'm just a bit confused between node and master. Okay, it's
okay,
here.
not sure. Hulas is not available, I think. Sumit,
No.
no. Now come to the master. Through the master, user will access or not. Yes, Ravi. Okay, Ravi is yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Sandeep,
Yeah, हाँ हो जाएगा. Yes.
yes. Nandita, don't say blindly. Okay, whatever means
No,
you are
no,
in
no,
like.
no. I'm not saying blindly, just because I was just confused. Like you previously you said that as soon
Huh,
as
that's why see means these guys whatever they have given the answer, don't make like yes okay. Yes, this is not so good. Okay, I
even
will.
I'm bit confused in master node and master node and node IP. Like
Mas-
yeah, in this also I'm not sure
okay, this one also not sure.
because
Okay,
can access through node, I think, or with the master. I'm not sure about that.
okay, okay. Now here is Sumit.
Yes, we can.
Okay, others option. If these all are wrong, then other option you can choose.
Now we know that it is wrong. Then
Ah,
only we can select it is others or not, right?
oh, you all are guys have given the yes, yes. Okay. So means
This time it is
no
not
one came to
applicable.
where, right?
Yeah, not applicable this time.
Not applicable. But this is the correct answer. These all are wrong.
Uh,
Okay.
Then others mean which option we will go that because we know that the
Now,
options.
yeah, service. That's why we came to the service.
Okay, but we
Okay.
but with application we can access with the help of port number, IP address port number,
So
right?
where port are coming? Where port are coming?
We just expose the port based on our requirement,
So
right?
those ports comes under the service only. Okay.
Hmm.
That I will show you.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah,
That's
and
why.
and we can not only access without the help of IP address, correct?
Yeah.
So IP address
Yeah.
is also needed at that time. Master IP is needed, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
See, your analyzing is really good.
uh,
Okay.
Means
At
master
least.
IP plus port number, correct?
Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So I will show you. Okay.
Yeah.
See, if in general, if you will see master node. Okay. If you will suppose you have four application you deployed over the cluster. Okay. Suppose Flipkart application, Amazon, and and
Misho.
Meso.
Misho is not these days.
Okay, three application you deploy. So if you will tell on user will access on Flipkart on same IP, or this one will access same IP, and this will access on same IP, that is wrong, right?
Correct. There is a different port. It might be.
Yeah. So this is wrong, I think. Right now, I think this is clear.
It is. Huh? I already told that master IP
Ah,
plus port number. I already told in the first line only.
Yeah, it's correct that with only with master IP we can't access.
I
yeah.
told already.
No, but
Master
here,
IP plus port number.
okay. But I have given only master IP.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so means from the port IP, users can't access the application. From the node port IP, users can't access the means application. Through
yeah.
the master IP, users can't be accessed.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so one more diagram I will draw. Means I will this one. Uh, I will little bit enhance this one. Okay.
Okay. Sure. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. So till now we don't know about the service. Okay, till now we don't know about the service. Okay, so here okay, so this is the suppose this application right now we don't know about the service. Okay, so suppose we have created one service for these applications. Okay, suppose your application is log DevOps. Okay, so for log DevOps application, we have created one service. What is the service name? Log DevOps. I have given the service name as log DevOps service. Okay, log DevOps service. So for right now, you don't know about the node port. Okay, so this will access through the node port. And later I will show you how many types of service is available. Okay, means how many types of service are available. Okay, so right now suppose node port is available for this service. Okay, um, when we will create service, one node port will assign. Okay, with the IP address. Okay. Suppose whatever the service is available, that service having one particular IP and node port. Okay. Suppose that will come in 1010. Something is there. Okay. Okay. So now what will happen? Whatever the user will come. Okay. Whatever the user will come, that will access the service. And whatever I shown you this IP, I will show you when I will create service, I will show you this IP. Okay. So for for one service, okay, for one service, we have one particular IP. Okay. Later on, we will see the load balancer. Okay. This service is only the load balancer. Okay. Right now we are accessing here the node port. Okay. Through the node port. Okay. Service, under the service, see, service we will learn four types. For node port, okay, cluster IP is a service, load balancer is also a service, and one is names. Okay. So that I will explain when I will create the service. Okay. So for today, or means today now I will connect at what time now? 4:20, right? So today 9 o'clock everyone is free. 9 p.m.
And it's okay for me.
Sangeeta is okay. Ravi is okay. Nandita.
I'm traveling, so I will be in mute.
Okay. Today when you will start traveling?
Like in the night only, but I have to go somewhere.
Okay. 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 So no
You
problem.
can join the session, but maybe some sound will come, so you are not able.